friends, welcome back to my channel, Rosie La Nosy. So we recently bought a new computer and I ended up cleaning up here upstairs the room. It was a mess and life gets crazy. I don't know how I let it go that far, but I just did, and now it's nice and clean. So now I can make that room a little office for us. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build these desks and how I'm gonna redo that empty room to our little office area. So we'll see. All right, guys. So we're back in business. I'm gonna show you the two desks that I bought today, and my camera's about to die. So we'll see how much I can record, and then I'll probably cut it, and then I'll open them from the boxes. But here we go. So this is the one I bought at from Target, and it was there it goes. So yeah, it was $59 and I bought it for $17.98. You can't beat that. And then this is the desk that I bought for 17 bucks. You see it has little wheels. So then this is the one I bought from Walmart. I think it was $59, and with tax and all that stuff it was like over 60 bucks. But we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna open them and I'm gonna start building them. Hopefully I have about 30 minutes before I have to go pick up my kids from school. So we'll see what I can do in 30 minutes. Here we go. welcome back to my channel, Rosie La Nosy. So far this is what I have as my office. I need to still fix those little wires, but yes, this is how the desk, the two desks that I combined, end up looking like, and I'm satisfied. That was my $17 little movable desk with wheels, and then I started already decorating some stuff for Christmas that I have purchased, and I just have some extra bags there and some equipment there. But